Hey guys, let's do the unboxing of this MI portable electric air compressor. You can use it for a car, bike or a football. I ordered it from MI official website. It was not available on Amazon. So let's get straight to the point and open it up. Oh, looks like we got a carry pouch inside the box. So here is the little piece of tech for which we have paid the money. So this is the air compressor. Then you get a manual that we are not going to read, and here is the carry pouch that you get. Plus you get a micro USB for charging. Then you get a nozzle adapter. So this is what you get inside the box. Hey, this little guy is really heavy. So this little piece of tech comes with a 2000 mAh battery that you can charge with the given micro USB. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge it, and once charged you can use it to inflate up to 5 car tires in one go. Now let's power it up. This is built with high precision alloy die casting cylinder that can be pressurized up to 150 psi to generate enough force to inflate a common bicycle tire, football or car tire. You can get the readings in psi or bar, both. This comes with some default setting, for example bicycle mode, motorcycle mode, car mode and football mode. You can use these buttons to increase or decrease and set the air pressure as per your own choice. Now let's pump it up. Let's turn the motors on. Guys, this is powerful. This is really powerful. Guys, this amazing piece of tech, it's small, it's convenient, it's easy to carry out, it's powerful, it's compatible with variety of nozzles. You can use your power bank to charge it up. If you travel a lot, I would definitely recommend you buying this. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.